Fire situations change in the blink of an eye. Every second counts. A revolutionary product born specifically for fire extinguishing bomb deployment by drones. Manus Aero's HT-200, integrating 7 core modules into one unified system. Control center, customized installation bracket, 3-track adjustable range throw module, 3-track adjustable range throw module, compatible with various types of fire extinguishing bombs available on the market. Millimeter wave ranging radar, laser guidance, lighting warning. Omnidirectional environmental adaptability precisely tackles all-terrain operational challenges. Single hook 25 kg capacity, ultimate load limit, flexibly supports multiple release modes, left, center, right and full salvo modes, multiple release configurations, precision match to fire intensity levels, ensuring high efficiency fire suppression, multi-terminal intelligent collaboration supported, drone remote controller, near field synchronization system, handheld remote controller, mini program, and cloud platform 5D hyperconnect, integrated with near field synchronization system. Real-time multi-role coordination in firefields ensures precision execution of emergency missions. HT-200, redefining aerial firefighting standards with groundbreaking technologies. Life protection precision at millimeter level.